How to redeem YouTube premium code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily redeem your YouTube premium code or your YouTube code. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you can do is you can head into your browser, open up any browser on your device, and what you want to do is you want to head into this link. What you want to search on the search bar is you want to search for youtube.com/redeem. You can see youtube.com/redeem. So you want to type in youtube.com/redeem and simply tap and go. Now it'll redirect you to the link where you will be able to redeem your code. However, before redeeming your code, what you want to make sure is that you're signing to the account that you want to redeem your code to. Simply tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on that particular profile that shows up there, and you'll be able to choose your account. You can switch the account, and once you choose the account, you want to simply tap on enter code and enter in your code, tap on next, and your YouTube code will be redeemed to that particular account that you signed in to. So this way you can redeem your YouTube premium code. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.